All Chinese brands, Meizu seems to be working on the next flagship series, the Meizu 21. The lineup may include two models, that is the Meizu 21 and the Meizu 21 Pro. A recent post by DCS revealed key specs about the device and the design as well. Meizu has built a reputation of launching smartphones with impressive design. A notable addition to the rear design is a ring LED light. Its specific function is not known. It is possible this LED flash would illuminate in various colors to signifying different types of notification. The Meizu 20 and 20 Pro was powered with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The 21 you can expect to come with 8 Gen 3 chipset, which will debut on October 28th this year. Other reports include Meizu 21 and 21 Pro will have flat displays with the wire doors. Some recall Meizu 20 was launched in March this year and was available for purchase in April. There's a possibility that Meizu 21 will be launched a bit earlier in the first quarter of 2024. Meizu, as you know, was bought by Geely and they're making a comeback this year in the market. It was one of the most impressive Chinese phone makers, challenging Xiaomi and all till they fell off the market. They have their own proprietary OS, which is Flyme, which looks a lot like MyUI. They are also working on a Flyme Auto software for vehicles, the Flyme Auto, which is based on Flyme OS 10. It's expected to power daily cars in 2024.